In this section, you will learn the functions of the cabin air recirculation system. You will also learn how to operate the recirculation fan controls and how to interpret the recirculation system indicators. Some cabin discharge air is exhausted out of the single outflow valve in the aft part of the fuselage. The remaining discharge air can be recirculated by fans to the air mix manifold, where it is mixed with conditioned air from the packs and redistributed to the passenger cabins. The recirculation of conditioned air reduces the pneumatic air demand from the packs and reduces the bleed air required from the engines. This improves fuel efficiency. The left and right recirculation fan switches control the recirculation fans. Now touch the left recirculation fan switch to position it to on. Correct. With the left recirculation fan switch positioned to on, the switch on light comes on. The left recirculation fan is on if the system logic does not prevent it. On the 767, recirculated cabin air is drawn from only one source, near the forward cargo compartment. The left and right recirculation fans are arranged in parallel with a common air source duct. Air from both fans is blown into the main air mix manifold. To remove minor smoke from the cabin zones in the 767, turn off either or both recirculation fans. With the right recirculation fan switch positioned off, the right recirculation fan switch in-out light is illuminated. The right recirculation fan is off, and an ICAS advisory message appears. If the recirculation fan fails, these indications appear, while the recirculation fan switch is positioned to on. You have completed this section. Touch Advance to continue to the next section.